Did you know that nearly half of American retirees are worried about their savings running out before they do? With inflation running wild, unpredictable markets, and even uncertainty around government backed programs, it's more important than ever to secure your wealth for the long haul. But how do you do that when the future feels so uncertain? Today, I'm going to share with you a story about Tom, a retired engineer from Arizona who thought he had his retirement all figured out. He worked hard for 35 years, saving up what he thought was a comfortable $650,000 in his 401k. But when the market took a dip during the last crash, his portfolio lost 20%. Tom was scared. He thought he was prepared, but now he wasn't so sure. Tom's story isn't unique. In fact, it's happening to millions of retirees across the country. In just the last year alone, we've seen inflation skyrocket, stock market volatility make headlines daily, and even interest rates climbing. In fact, just this month, we saw the Federal Reserve hint at further interest rate hikes to curb inflation. And let's not forget the looming concerns over Social Security's future. So, what can you do to protect your wealth and ensure it lasts through the next financial crisis? That's where a gold IRA comes into play. Gold has been a safe haven for investors for thousands of years. It's a tangible asset that isn't tied to the whims of the stock market or the economy. When the market crashes, gold tends to rise in value, and that's exactly what Tom discovered when he made the decision to roll over a portion of his 401k into a gold IRA. Within months, Tom's gold IRA gave him the peace of mind he was looking for. It was a stable, reliable asset that helped him weather the next financial storm without losing sleep at night. And that's what I want for you. The truth is, retirement is supposed to be a time to relax, to enjoy the fruits of your labor, not to worry about whether your money will last. By diversifying into gold, you're adding an extra layer of protection against the unpredictable nature of the economy. And there's no better time than now to start securing your future. If you're like Tom and want to protect your retirement savings from the next crash, I've got a free offer just for you. Click the link below to get access to my free gold IRA guide, plus a no obligation educational call with one of my experts. We'll walk you through everything you need to know about gold IRAs, and we'll help you figure out if this is the right move for your specific situation. No pressure, no gimmicks, just solid, honest education. You've worked hard for your savings, and you deserve to protect it for yourself and for the generations that come after you. Don't wait for the next crash to hit. Take control now. Click the link and get your free guide today. Let's make sure your wealth lasts through whatever comes next.